This is the ECO. The ECO is a home hobbyist blast cabinet from Blasted-All. But what makes this blast cabinet that's built like a tank a home hobbyist blast cabinet? Just like other blast cabinets in this market space, it doesn't come with a built-in regulator so that you can set the pressure at the machine. It doesn't come with a reclaim so that you can clean the debris out of the media before it's reused in the cabinet. It also comes with a standard suction tube for picking up the media, and it uses a traditional trigger blast gun. It also does not include safety door switches to keep you from blasting while the cabinet is open. So what sets this machine apart? Well, for starters, it arrives to you just like this. Most other machines in this space arrive in flat boxes and have to be assembled. Looking at the reviews for those machines, the biggest complaint is that they leak. Those leaks come from the assembly process and from the foam provided by the manufacturers. The ECO is completely welded on almost all of its seams, and the seams that are not completely welded are sealed, spot welded, and then painted. This machine doesn't leak, but it is designed, just like all the other machines, to either have a vacuum or a dust collector running while the machine is in operation to allow air to flow through the cabinet. In this case, the air was designed to flow through the cabinet through the light fixture. The ECO is also made out of 14 gauge steel, so it can take the abuse of moving parts in and out of the machine, as well as the wear and tear from the different blast abrasives that might be used in the cabinet. It was built to last. Several manufacturers in this market space sell machines that come with plexiglass windows. This is great for keeping costs down for the manufacturer, but not for long-term use of the machine. Plexiglass is easily scratched, and over time, viewing through the window becomes more and more difficult. The ECO comes with a certified safety glass window, which can easily outlast the plexiglass. The reason for the safety glass is in case it were to break while the machine is in use, it'll prevent sharp shards from falling on you. To make the glass last even longer, you can purchase an optional Mylar dispenser that goes between the glass and the abrasive blast flying around inside the cabinet. Once the Mylar becomes beat up by the abrasive blast, simply loosen the window, advance the Mylar, tighten it back down, and you have a completely new view. All blast cabinets in this market space from other manufacturers come with trigger-operated blast guns. When you purchase an ECO, you get to choose between a 12 CFM and a 21 CFM blast gun. They look almost exactly the same. There is a difference in the performance of these blast guns and a difference in the size of compressor you need to operate them. We have a separate video that looks at the performance and the requirements of these guns. You can find that in a link in the description below. In addition to choosing which abrasive blast gun you want with the machine, you can choose to purchase an optional foot pedal instead of wearing out your trigger fingers. Just put your foot down. The ECO also comes standard with Blasted-All's pop-in gloves. Don't worry about trying to find a third hand to get the clamp on the gloves. Simply take the gloves, slide them in, bend it down, and let it pop in place. And if you want to get your shop vac back, or you just want some better filtration and suction, then you can add on the ECO dust collector, which has an easy to change filter located right in the top. If you'd like to learn more about the ECO, you can find information in a link in the description below. If you want to learn more about abrasive blasting, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos coming up.